You check your bank account balance again, hoping it somehow magically grew overnight while you slept quietly. Payday comes and goes fast, but that relief never lasts more than a day or two. You are not lazy, not careless, not bad with money. You are simply underpaid and overwhelmed. Living paycheck to paycheck is not a character flaw. It is a broken system trapping millions. Right now, over 60% of Americans could not cover a $500 emergency expense. That knot in your stomach every time rent is due? Millions of people feel it too. You are not alone in this long, exhausting cycle of working hard, yet never getting ahead. But here is something nobody tells you. This cycle can actually be broken, starting today, right now. Not with a huge raise, not with luck, but with small, deliberate, repeatable money decisions daily. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, everything about your money is going to change. You do not need a fancy budgeting app. A simple notebook or spreadsheet works just fine. The first shift is not about earning more money, it is about seeing your money clearly. Most people living paycheck to paycheck have no idea where their money actually goes each single month. Not because they are careless, but because nobody ever properly taught them how to track it. So step one is simple. Write down every single dollar you spend for 7 full days. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. No judgment here, just honest, simple observation and awareness. This single habit reveals leaks you never noticed, quietly draining money that you desperately need elsewhere. Most people are shocked to discover subscriptions they completely forgot about, still charging their card monthly. Streaming services, random apps, forgotten memberships. Small charges that quietly add up to real money wasted. Once you clearly see the leaks, canceling them feels less like sacrifice and more like relief. Next, separate your expenses into 2 simple categories: things you truly need and things you want. Try the envelope method. Put cash for each spending category into separate envelopes for the month. Rent, groceries, utilities, minimum debt payments, those are needs. Everything else is negotiable, at least for now. This is not about depriving yourself forever. It is about buying yourself some breathing room now. Now let us talk about the money conversation most people avoid completely: negotiating your monthly bills. Your internet provider, your phone plan, even your car insurance often hide discounts you never asked for. A single 10-minute phone call asking politely for a lower rate can save real money. Companies expect you to ask for a better deal. Most people never do and quietly overpay for years. Next, look closely at your grocery spending. Food is often the easiest budget category to shrink. Planning meals around what is already in your pantry reduces waste and impulse purchases dramatically each week. Buying store brand instead of name brand can save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Cooking at home, even simple meals, costs a small fraction of ordering delivery or eating out. Meal prepping just 2 or 3 times a week saves both money and precious daily time. This is not about giving up joy completely. It is about redirecting money toward your future. Now, the part everyone dreads: building an emergency fund when there is barely anything left over. Here is the truth. You do not need thousands of dollars to start protecting yourself today. Start with a goal of just $100. That alone changes your entire financial reality. $100 means a flat tire does not automatically turn into a missed rent payment. Automate $5 or $10 from every single paycheck into a separate savings account, immediately and consistently. Out of sight truly means out of temptation. You will barely even notice it is gone. Small, consistent amounts build wealth faster than you think because momentum matters far more than size. Now let us address debt, because it is often the silent reason your paychecks disappear instantly. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, can quietly eat away at your entire financial future fast. Refinancing high-interest debt onto a lower-rate card or loan can save real money too. List every debt you currently have, along with its interest rate, sorted from highest to lowest. If watching your balances disappear motivates you more, pay off the smallest debt first instead today. There is no single wrong method here, only the one that you will actually stick with. The goal is progress, not perfection. Every extra dollar toward debt slowly buys back your freedom. Set a small, specific savings goal for each month, so progress always feels visible and real. Now, let us talk about lifestyle inflation, the quiet trap that keeps hardworking people permanently broke. When income rises even slightly, spending often rises just as fast, erasing any real progress made. A raise feels like permission to upgrade everything, but that feeling quietly sabotages your entire future. Instead, when extra money appears, send it straight to savings before you even see it land. Let us talk about side income, because sometimes cutting expenses alone is simply not enough anymore. You do not need a second full-time job just to bring in some extra money. Even an extra $100 a month accelerates your emergency fund and debt payoff significantly faster. Choose one small side income idea and commit fully to it for at least 30 days. Surround yourself with people who genuinely support your financial goals instead of quietly encouraging overspending habits. That is exactly why panic often leads to worse financial decisions, not better ones, ironically enough. Financial anxiety triggers your brain's fight or flight response, making clear, rational thinking incredibly difficult right now. Progress here is quiet and slow, but it steadily compounds into real, deeply lasting financial peace. Celebrate every small win along the way. Your first $100 saved deserves genuine recognition, not dismissal. Someone else's highlight reel says absolutely nothing about their real debt, their stress, or their reality. Comparison steals joy, especially financial comparison. Your journey does not match anyone else's exact personal timeline. Focus only on your own progress, measured against where you started, not where everyone else currently is. Money shame keeps people stuck for years. Releasing that shame is often the real first step forward. You are allowed to struggle financially without that struggle defining your entire worth as a person. Let us quickly recap the path forward, because clarity always turns information into real, lasting action. Track your spending honestly for 7 full days without judgment, so you can finally see clearly. This is not about perfection or speed. It is about steady, honest, repeatable progress each week. Separate needs from wants, then trim the wants without completely eliminating every single source of joy. Community matters here too. Share your goals with someone who will hold you gently, kindly accountable. Negotiate your bills every year. Companies expect pushback and most people never bother asking for discounts. Automate small savings immediately after every paycheck, starting with just $5 or $10 each week. Attack your highest interest debt first, or your smallest balance, whichever one keeps you truly motivated. Avoid lifestyle inflation completely. When your income rises, let your savings quietly rise right along with it. Explore small side income streams to accelerate your progress when cutting expenses alone is not enough. Protect your mental health throughout this entire process. Calm decisions beat panicked ones every single time. None of these steps require perfection. They only require consistency, repeated steadily over weeks and months. The paycheck to paycheck cycle feels permanent, but it truly is not. You can break it. Thousands of people have already walked this exact path, starting exactly where you are standing now. You do not need more willpower. You need a clear, simple system and consistent daily action. Start today with just one step. Track your spending or save your very first $10. If this helped you feel less alone, subscribe for more calm, practical money guidance every week. Your financial peace is not a distant fantasy. It is simply a series of small decisions away.